Hello viewers, welcome to this channel where we impart positive knowledge always. Today we are going to learn how to convert our videos files, which can be in WEBM, MOV, AVI or any other file, to MP4. Okay, we want to convert them into MP4. So at the moment I'm going to utilize WEBM, my video that is in WEBM, to MP4. Go to your search engine. I'm utilizing Chrome here. Search for clip champ. Okay, clip champ. Search for it. Click on it. This is it here. Remember that you ought to have your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, you will not be able to use this. So have your account. Okay, click on sign in. I have mine already and it's automatically opened. That is why I'm having access to it automatically. If you do not, they might ask you for your email address on the Microsoft Word account, your email address and password. Okay, so let's dive into the business of the day, converting our video from WebM to MP4. Click on create a new video. Import your media. This app is an editor. You can use it to edit your videos. On import media here, by your right hand side, you can see this drop down arrow. When you click on it, if you have your video on OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, Export, browse file. This browse file is the one in your computer. You can just click whichever one and dive into it. So at the moment, I just want to click on import file to take me directly to the computer, the videos I have in my computer. So it's the same thing with this browse file. Let me just show you. Can you see that? I'm in my computer and this is the download. That's where I have my videos. If you have yours in any other file like my files or any other place, you can click on it. Mine is under my download. So, and this is the file I want to convert, Chichi, which is saved in WebM file. I'm clicking on it, then click open. The video has been imported, so you can drag and place there just like it is written here, drag and drop media here, or just click on this add to timeline here. Always remember that you can import several types of videos, so you can be adding them wherever places you want to add them. Just like I said earlier, it is an editing video. Okay, you can use it to edit your videos. So our main purpose is just to change the file WebM to MP4. After you have dragged, click on export. I'm choosing this 720, but before then I also want you to acknowledge this. Can you see the video quality here and what is written under it? Your video will be exported as an MP4 file. So whatever video you bring to this place, it will be exported as an MP4 file. So I'm picking this and it's processing now. It's exporting my video. As it's exporting my video, it will be showing you here. This is just what I videoed, so that's what it is showing me. You can change the name of your video, because this is what the clip champ saved my video with. I want to change it with, maybe I can change it with Chiquito 1010. Okay, when you change it to Chiquito 1010, you can click save to your computer, then to be saved to your computer. If you don't want it to be saved in your computer, you can also take it down here. Look at this place, save to OneDrive. This is the title. You can change your title here. Okay, before then, let me show you what is listed under it. You can save to your Google Drive. You can upload immediately to your YouTube, send to TikTok, save to Dropbox. So you can name, before doing that, you can name the title of your video here. I don't want to automatically send to my YouTube, so I just want to save it to my computer. After you've changed your name to the name that you want, then save to your computer. Automatically my video has been saved. As you can see, it's saved here, untitled video MP4. I know you'll be wondering that I changed this video to Chiquito 1010. Why is it still showing untitled video? Well, you can also change it here. Okay, and click save. Go to your file. Can you see it here? Chiquito 1010, and the file has been saved as what? MP4. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not hesitate to click like, share my video, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you.